Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to recover deleted content through OneDrive on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to OneDrive. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the Find application. Locate some content that we will be adding to the OneDrive storage. So within Finder we have a couple of documents, a screenshot, and a folder that contains images. Click on this all at the same time and then right click, copy. What we will now do is go within OneDrive for Computer Science Videos, go to Photos 2024, right click, paste 4 items. And so all the content that was copied has now been added directly to the OneDrive folder. So for any instance, if we, let's just say, delete by error, right click, move to bin, we will receive that option to confirm if we want to, let's just say, permanently delete. We may not want to, but in this tutorial we are demonstrating how we will recover those deleted files and folders and screen captures. So click on delete, and now if we go all the way down to the dock, you can see that there's nothing inside the recycle bin, so that itself is now a problem. So let's now minimize Finder for the moment. Now let's go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Now let's go to applications, explore all the applications, locate your cloud storage, which is OneDrive. Click on this. And now what we will do is go to My Files. You would think that all the information that was deleted would be here, but no. If we go to Recycle Bin, and there we have all that information that was deleted. If I were to select everything at once, click on Restore, and now we are restoring 4 items on screen. Go to My Files, go to Photos 2024, and there we have it. Everything has been restored. Let's now quit Google Chrome for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock, go back to Finder, and there we have it. Everything has been restored. So we can now quit Finder. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.